words amount. It ain't about to get me down. I don't ask what they allow, telling me I don't fit in now. They don't choose the road I take, I walk my path through their mistakes. Call me lost, but I